here at Saucy, and I just subscribe to my Coaster Club YouTube too.
Layers of the night sky, I wanna free fall into nothing at all. I'm taking the moment, starting all over. I wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy.
Saucy by KFC. You guys know we keep it saucy on this channel. Let's head on in and see if it's as good as the first KFC in Corbin, Kentucky was. So we met Manny here at Saucy, and he's going to explain the menu to us.
Right, so we're a restaurant by KFC, but we're not exactly KFC. Our main attractions here is all of our sauces and the variety that we have. Each combo that we have already comes with one sauce. But if you want more than 2 sauces, you can get the sauce flavor, which is a sauce combo. Along that, we also have our exotic drinks, which is a hot honey watermelon refresher, a passion fruit orange and guava refresher, and a peach mango lemonade. Along that, we also got our Sammy's, which is a Hawaiian bread roast with the smoky bacon ranch and pickle. And this one doesn't have pickle, but it's a spicy queso sauce. So if you guys need to know about that,
So here's all the different sauces they have here, guys. All kinds of different ones with like lots of crazy cool ingredients in that. I love that. There's literally so many different ones. Which ones are we gonna get? Not quite sure yet. So let's dig on in and find something cool. We're totally thinking about getting one of these sandos too. Not sure which one yet, but we'll figure it out in the set. Found desserts on here too. I'm totally getting that key lime cake for sure. That's so Florida. I love it. We put our order through and now we're just chilling. The inside dining area is kind of crazy. Especially those awesome like dripping things right there. Kind of cool. Scan the QR code, guys. So I totally got the spicy hot honey lemonade. This thing looks super good. I can already smell the vibe of it. And she got this blue raspberry slushy type thing. So let's dig on into our drinks and stay hydrated in a sugary type of way, right? So here's our mound of goodness. We got a sandwich. We got some chicken tenders. We got those seasoned fries. We got a King's Hawaiian sweet roll. Tons and tons of sauces, guys. Sauces galore. So many sauces because it's saucy. You got to keep it saucy. We got this awesome key lime pie that's in a can. I mean, come on, this is kind of crazy in its own type of way. So let's dig on in and get saucy with it. We were told that we needed to try this one because it's the best one. So let's dig on in, and they hooked us up with one. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this reminds me of the Chicken Little that KFC did used to have. So let's try this awesome, crazy sando. Well, saucy. Let's just say it was very saucy. It was pretty good, actually. Like the fried chicken was like super warm, very, very crispy, had that awesome 11 herbs and spices on there. And the sauce is where it's at here, guys. There's so many different ones. There's literally something for everybody here. Honestly, I really, really enjoyed the chimichurri sauce. I thought that one was really, really good. The Thai one was okay. And I really, really liked the jalapeno ranch. That one was super good too. But like each one of them had like their own vibe. Like the saucy sauce that they have kind of reminded me of the Cali crack sauce that I make and usually put on burgers at home. So I thought that was actually pretty good too. And then the fries, they had like a good seasoning on there. It was like a little bit of like Lowry seasoned salt, like black pepper. And there's something else, I couldn't put my finger on it. So those are actually super good too. And they made good the dipping in all the sauces. So I thought that was actually super scrumptious. And then like literally the King's Hawaiian roll kind of fell short for me. I don't know, it was just like a sorry flat thing. And it kind of took away from all the King's Hawaiian goodness like in its own way. And then like the chicken sandwich we got had like a cheese sauce on there, almost like, you know, something you would get like a Mexican restaurant, or like, you know, a little bit of a queso dip. It wasn't like too crazy, but you know, it was it reminded me of like a glorified version of their old school chicken little sandwiches that KFC used to have back in the day. So I thought that was kind of cool. And you know, it wasn't like overly amazingly good, but it was good. And then like it got even better when you start putting the other sauces on the sandwich itself. So that was super cool. And then literally like that crazy like hot honey watermelon drink that I got, I don't really say I didn't like it, but I liked it, but I wouldn't order again. I don't know. I do like things like I always buy like jalapeno limeade and stuff from like Trader Joe's. So I do love stuff like that. it didn't really crack on that level, but it had just kind of a weird kind of taste to it. But like I said, it was good in its own way. And then the key lime pie literally was like a cake in a can. I mean, it wasn't terribly awesomely good, but it wasn't terribly awesomely bad. It reminded me of like a birthday cake you would get at like the grocery store or something. And then like it was kind of hard to get it out of there because like we pulled off like the tab, and then literally like when we pulled it off, it was just hard to get the spoon all the way down in there. But it had a key limey taste, and you know, it's kind of cool that they have a key lime pie here, because I really do feel like that's one of the most like forgotten pies like out there. This was more like a key lime cake. I shouldn't really say it was a pie. So, well, thank you guys for watching this episode of randomness coming here to Saucy. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, but you never know what other random things I might film for you. Maybe I'll go back to the world's first KFC in Corbin, because that was super good. And the chicken tenders I had here was just as good as the bone-in chicken that I had in Corbin. So keep that in mind. Love you all. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.